Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making one of the best, most scrumptious Guyanese pine tart. If you guys are pine lovers, you guys are definitely in for a treat. Alright, so I've already washed my pine. We are going to make the filling for our pine tart. And I pulse my pineapples, really sweet. And these are the rest of the ingredients, and they all are going to be in the description box with the measurements. So to the pine, I'm added some onion, some cinnamon sticks, good vanilla extract, orange peel, nutmeg, and some ginger powder. You can definitely add fresh ginger. So I did not add any sugar here because the pine is really sweet. So you are going to taste and adjust to your likeness. So the amount that I use for my pine, I will leave that in the description box. This is good, and we are going to leave this to cool really well. Then we are going to roll our all butter pastry crust out. Then you are going to cut to your desired size. For me, I love using this lid for some reason. I just love the size, it's perfect for me. Or if you have a cutter, you can use that. So now we are going to add the filling in the center of the dough. Then we are going to egg wash the edges, and we are going to fold. Now you can turn this anyhow you like. For me, I like it turned the other way. But first, let's fold this up, do exactly what I'm doing here. Make sure it's sealed really well. Awesome. And that is the way I love to turn mine. Alright, then you're going to use a fork and make some incisions on top of the pastry. And then we are going to egg wash. And bake in a 350 degrees oven for about 35 minutes. And this is what you're going to get, guys. Perfection. This is absolutely amazing, and I just can't wait for you guys to try this one. If y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. Please check the link out for that amazing cheese roll recipe and this next level Guyanese beef patty recipe. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.